Scales in their many forms can be thought of as toolboxes. They hold the tools or tones we use, but we only use a few of them at a time. A melody is a series of notes from a given scale, each with its own tone. It's the order of tones and the intervals between them that make one melody distinct from another, so intervals are an important element in music. The smallest interval we use in the Western world is the interval of one tone next to its neighbor. This is called a minor second. Here are a few. It should be said that intervals go down as well as up. These are also minor seconds. In the next interval, the second tone is 2 notes up or down from the first. This is called a major second. Here are major seconds up and major seconds down. Next is the minor third interval. The second tone in the interval is 3 notes away from the first. Minor thirds up, minor thirds down. The next interval is a major third, with the second tone 4 notes away from the first. Major thirds up, major thirds down. The minor and major third intervals are important in building chords, as we'll see in the next segment. The next interval is called a perfect fourth, with the second tone 5 notes away from the first. Perfect fourths up, perfect fourths down. In the next interval, the second tone is 6 notes away from the first. With 12 tones available to us, this makes the second tone exactly halfway through the notes from the first. This interval is called by several names: the tritone, the sharp fourth, the flatted fifth. It's the same interval whether going up or down the scale. Now the intervals begin to cross over one another. With the next interval, a perfect fifth, the 2 tones are 7 notes apart. Perfect fifths up, perfect fifths down. Notice that a perfect fifth interval going up is a perfect fourth going down, and vice versa. With 8 notes separating the first and second tones, the next interval is called a minor sixth. Minor sixth up, minor sixth down. Again, a minor sixth up is the same interval as a major third down, and a major sixth up is the same interval as a minor third down. The minor seventh interval up is the same as a major second down, and a major seventh up is a minor second down. Intervals are not only the building blocks of a melody, but also of chords.